1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello kids! Let's play with sand molds. And now let's take green ice cream. Wow!
Green.
I like green ice cream. And now we will take green shower. Okay, let's put some sand in our green ice cream and have some fun. Green sheep. I like play with sand. And for sure, I like ice cream. Yummy. Now time for okay, let's choose something. Okay, pink bagel. It's nice choice.
Pink.
Let's play with it. Pink cookie. Pink candy. So sweet. Wow, it's a pink horse. Hello, horse. Hello, hello. And pink teddy bear. Wow. Okay, and what next? I think it's a yellow ice cream. Yeah, I'm right. Yellow ice cream.
Yellow.
Okay, let's play with it. A lot of ice cream. It's a just wonderful world for kids. Candies, cookies, and ice cream. Kids, do you like play with ice cream and sand? I like it so much. Okay, and at last, pink cake. What do you think? What cake is it? It's an apple cake. Oh no, I think it's a pink apple cake for pink little kids. I like this game. And you? Have fun, kids, and good luck! Bye bye!
Goodbye.